Good morning, students. Today we will learn about respiratory system. So what happened here? Through our nostril we inhale oxygen, then it goes to the windpipe, then to the trachea, then to the lungs. Then this oxygen goes to the blood capillaries. Then this oxygen is carried to the other part of your body. So how respiratory system works? Take a deep breath. What do you feel? When you breathe in, your chest gets slightly bigger, and when you exhale, it comes to the normal size. See here, you are inhaling the oxygen. That's why your chest gets slightly bigger. And in the exhalation process, what happens? Your chest comes to the normal size and you breathe out the CO2, that is carbon dioxide. So here how oxygen or O2 is absorbed and carbon dioxide, that is CO2, is pushed out of your body. The hair and the mucus in the nose trap the dust particle and germs, making the air we breathe in clean and safe. That means in our nose there is some hair-like structures and mucus as well, which trap the dust particle. It actually acts like a barrier system. That is why we should not breathe through our mouth. Our mouth doesn't have that thing. That's why we shouldn't breathe through our mouth. Now the air travels down the windpipe and enter our lungs. Lungs are like two bags. So lungs are like two big bags. When we breathe in, they get filled up by oxygen. The lungs contain blood capillaries. See, these are the blood capillaries. Blood capillaries absorb the oxygen from the air we breathe in. It then transports it to the other part of our body. During this process, carbon dioxide is given out as a waste. So carbon dioxide is a waste product which is brought back to the lungs by the blood. When we breathe out, carbon dioxide is pushed out by our lungs pipe, then to the nose. Okay, so blood capillaries play the main function here, and blood capillaries mainly give rise to these structures balloon like. These are called alveoli. Next one, see, this is our nostril, then the windpipe, then this is our trachea, then lungs, right lungs and left lungs. Next is what happens when we breathe in oxygen or during the inhalation process. Oxygen and our consumed food together utilized by the cell, and that gives us energy to work. That means, see here, there is glucose which came from the digestive system by digestion of our food. Then this glucose added up with the oxygen. Then it gives out carbon dioxide, which is the waste product. We exhale it. Then there is also waste product water, which what happened to that water? When we sweat, it goes out of our body, and it also goes out of our body by urine. Then there is energy. This energy is utilized by us. Then carbon dioxide goes out through the lungs by exhalation process. We have already learned. So what should we do to keep our respiratory system healthy? Play outdoor games, open the doors and windows of our room to let in the fresh air. So now we will read about circulatory system. So what are the main organ in the circulatory system? It is the heart. See, this is heart. So the heart, the arteries, the capillaries and the veins are together called circulatory system. The heart is the most important organ in the circulatory system. It is located in the chest, a little to the left. it pumps blood to all the parts of the body. The two types of blood vessels connected to the heart are arteries and veins. The blood vessels that carry blood rich in oxygen from the heart to the other parts of the body are called arteries. Arteries are red in color because of they carry oxygen rich blood. The blood vessels that carry blood rich in carbon dioxide back to the heart from other parts of the body are called veins. So veins are bluish in color because of they carry carbon dioxide rich blood. Veins carry blood that rich in carbon dioxide and needs to be purified. This unpurified blood is pumped back to the lungs, and we know that from lungs the carbon dioxide is exhaled from our body. There it gives up carbon dioxide and takes in fresh oxygen. Again it returns to the heart, ready to be pumped all around the body. In this way, blood keeps on flowing in our body. Okay, see, there is picture of veins and arteries. So what you will do here, you will write it in your copy and you will do this as your homework. So what is excretory system? Excretory system is responsible for removing the waste from our body. The kidneys and the bladder helps to get rid of the waste product. The waste can be in liquid, solid or in gas form. Function of kidneys are, we all have two kidneys as we all can see. The kidney is bean shaped and located at the back of our body. The blood brings waste to the kidney. The kidney filtered the waste. The waste is in the form of liquid called urine. The bag that stores urine is called urinary bladder. This is the urinary bladder. A small tube called ureter. These two are ureter. This is connected from kidney to the urinary bladder. So this carry the urine from the bladder and expels it outside the body through the urethra. Okay. So this is our excretory system. So this is all for today. I will send you the homework. So what you have to do, you have to read this chapter very carefully. Then you have to do your homework. Okay, this is all for today. Thank you, students.